what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Sierra, and today's video is sponsored by CoCo and Eve. And CoCo and Eve is pretty much my favorite hair mask to date. It's called the CoCo and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, and it transforms your hair back to its virgin-like state. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts and review on the CoCo and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, then just keep watching. Alright, so the first time I actually used this hair mask was, I want to say, about a little over a year ago, and I was really shocked the first time that I used it because my hair was pretty much dead. It was ruined. I bleached my hair maybe 4-5 times in 1 year trying to get it to lighten and have like the perfect ombre that I've always wanted, but it wouldn't lighten anymore, and I just kept bleaching and bleaching and bleaching trying to get it to the point that I wanted, and I ended up just ruining my hair because of it. So CoCo and Eve actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review their product and try it out, which I did, and I was just hooked ever since the first time I tried it because it really transformed my hair. I'll show you a clip of what my hair looked like before and after the first time that I used it, when my hair was at its worst. And then I'll also insert some more clips showing you of when I've recently used it as well. Alright, so here is an Instagram video of when I first used the mask a year ago, and it's pretty clear that my hair is in really bad shape just from dyeing it like I was explaining before. But here it is now after one use, and it's really soft and just incredible feeling. Alright, so just a little information about the hair mask. It uses two key ingredients, cocoa and fig, to bring your hair back to a virgin-like state. So it nourishes and rejuvenates dead, frizzy, unwanted hair and makes it soft, shiny, silky, and healthy. This mask doesn't have any nasties in it. There's no sulfates, parabens, or other commonly harmful substances that are found in other hair products. It's 100% cruelty-free, never been tested on animals, and it's even gluten-free, so if you have an allergy to gluten, this hair mask will definitely be safe for you. The mask also has 13 very well-deserved beauty awards, including the Breakout Star Award from Birchbox and the 2018 Best Hair and Treatment Mask from Glamour. Alright, I'm going to put on a little bit of a show for you guys, but as you can see, my hair is not looking so hot right now. It's not as damaged as it was the first time I tried the mask, but it's still not up to my standards. So when you get your package, it's going to come in the mail in this cute pink tropical looking box, and inside you will get the mask and a complimentary detangler brush. Inside the jar comes with jam-packed product. It's not one of those chip bag half full of air type of disappointments. This jar is filled to the brim. Before I apply the mask, I like to first shampoo my hair so that I know that it's clean, and then I grab the detangler brush and I dip it into the jar. You can certainly grab the product with your hands if you want to, I just find it's easier this way. And then I run the brush through my hair, evenly moving the product from the root to my tips. If you have split ends or even dead ends, you can add just a little bit more product to it so that it can have a little bit more love. After that, I just wrap my hair up and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. This towel does not come with the mask, but you are able to purchase it on CoCo and Eve's website if you want to. And then if you are applying the mask in the shower or even the bath, this step isn't really necessary. And then wash it out. But whoops, did not see you there. But yeah, voila, nice, soft, fresh, silky looking hair. So this is the final look after having the mask in for just 10 minutes. You can see that my hair looks really soft and shiny, and then it's really easy to run my fingers through and just overall a lot healthier looking. I do actually like leaving it in longer for 10 minutes though. I find that when leaving it overnight, or even if you have a day off, it's the weekend, you don't have anything to do, you can just run around all day at your house, do your, your chores or whatever you have to do that day, and just let the hair mask sit there and soak into your hair. And then afterwards, when you're ready, you can wash it out, and after, it's just like the softest feeling. I always find myself running my hands through my hair because it just feels so soft, so healthy. I mean, it's called Like a Virgin for a reason because it really does return your hair back to its virgin-like state. This video may be sponsored, but I promise you this is my favorite hair mask to date. I have been through numerous bottles. I do use it about once or twice a week for best results, and it always feels so just amazingly soft afterward. You guys can see just like running through my hair, it really does look healthy and happy. It also has a really good smell. It's like a really faint faint smell of cocoa and fig mixed together, but it's not overbearing, it's not too powerful, it's not like gonna sit on your hair and make you kind of go, oh, what's that smell? It's very refreshing, very comfortable, very nice. I even have some on my nose. If you're looking for a new hair mask to try out, you have split ends, your hair's frizzy, it just feels really dry and unhealthy, chemically damaged from dyeing it, from the environment, anything really. If you guys have an issue and you're looking for a new hair mask, highly recommend giving CoCo and Ease Like a Virgin hair mask a try. It's really great and it will transform your hair back to its virgin-like state. Alright, so that's my thoughts on the CoCo and Eve hair mask. If you guys have any questions about the product or my journey by using it, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and press the subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you as part of my YouTube family. You can also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time. Bye.